Hello, good afternoon. I'm Steve. Welcome to a new episode of Ningbo Flyer. This afternoon, I'm heading off to Shanghai again for my Australian visa's physical exam tomorrow. Usually, I take the D series or G series high-speed train between Ningbo and Shanghai, which usually takes around 2 to 2.5 hours. For this time, I'm not in a rush, so I decided to take the K series ordinary speed train. Train I'm taking today is the K series K336 from Ningbo, and the train terminates at Changchun railway station. I will just get off at Shanghai South railway station. The whole journey would take around 5 hours. That's quite a long journey. The seat I'm taking today is the soft sleeper seat, which means I could lie down on the bed for a few hours. The K series train in China is type of ordinary speed train, which operates at a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. The ticket from Ningbo to Shanghai South railway station, it cost me 152.5 Chinese yuan, which is around 32 or 33 Australian dollars. Local health code, mobile itinerary, as well as a negative COVID test result obtained 48 hours prior to the departure are checked when entering the departure area. Ningbo Railway Station was rebuilt in 2013. Now it seems to reach its operation capacity. K336-337 train is a fast train service between Ningbo and Changchun, served by Shenyang Railway Bureau, Changchun Cruise Center. It first went into service in 1998. The whole journey takes 48 hours and 33 minutes. The service is hauled mostly by electric locomotives. However, between Shenyang and Changchun, it is hauled by diesel locomotives. My trip to Shanghai would take 5 hours, covering a distance of 332 kilometers. The K336 train uses platform 14, which is a long-side platform at the south end of Ningbo Station. This platform, as well as platform 1, are reserved for ordinary speed trains except the Ningbo-Xiaoxing intercity EMUs. The carriages are painted in green and have yellow stripes. However, these carriages are not the classical green color slow trains. Starting from 2015, all non-high-speed trains would be repainted to green when they undergo maintenance. K336 train is scheduled to consist of 18 carriages, 1 luggage carriage, 5 high-seat carriages, 1 dining carriage, 1 soft sleeper carriage, 9 hard sleeper carriages, as well as 1 carriage for China Post. All of these carriages are China Railway 25G rolling stocks. This type of rolling stock has been in production for more than 30 years. The 25G carriages used to be red. The rail fans call them the red color train. For the trip between Ningbo and Shanghai South Railway Station, K336 will be hauled by a Shaoshan 8 electric locomotive that belongs to Shanghai Railway Bureau. Changchun 8 is a type of electric locomotive that was produced between 1994 and 2001 and has a maximum operation speed of 170 km per hour. This table shows the maintenance record of the carriage. A1 check is like regular check, which can be done in the depot. However, A4 and A5 checks are similar to the C check and D check of an airplane, which are very complicated. The train is about to depart. It's time to get inside. The soft sleeper carriage only has 9 mini suites. Each suite has 4 dormitory-style beds and a door that could be closed from inside. At the end of the carriage, there's a toilet and a trash bin. Beware, the toilet is extremely compact and isn't very clean. There's a small table near the window where a water kettle and a stainless steel plate are placed on it. Quilts and pillows can be found on the upper beds. Your suitcases have to be placed underneath the beds. Despite being the highest class available on this train, the space inside is still very limited. A small portion of the ordinary speed trains in China do have premium soft sleeper, where there will be only 2 beds inside a mini cabin, but the price isn't that cheap. Oh my bloody hell, did you properly and thoroughly clean the bed sheet? I would just take this train for 5 hours and spend the night at a hotel, but what do you feel if you had to spend the night on board? The ordinary speed trains and high-speed trains share the same railway line when departing Ningbo Station. After reaching Zhuangqiao Station, the high-speed trains use Hangzhou-Ningbo dedicated railway line, and the ordinary speed trains use Xiaoyong railway line. The elevated one is the Hangyong dedicated railway line. High-speed trains can operate for a maximum speed of 350 km per hour, while the ordinary speed trains on the Xiaoyong railway line can only operate at a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. Well, no one else inside. That's nice. Almost 95% of trains operated within the vicinity of Shanghai Railway Bureau are high-speed trains. That's why the ordinary speed railway line is extremely quiet. Arrive at Yuyao Railway Station. It is 48 kilometers away from Ningbo Station. The train will stop for 3 minutes here. Arrive at Shangyu Railway Station after traveling for 1 hour and 7 minutes. The train stops for 4 minutes here. A Ningbo Yuyao Shaoxing Intercity CRH6 EMU can be seen here. If you smoke on board a high-speed train in China, the train will reduce the speed and you will be fined and have a record on the police. However, if you take the ordinary speed train, you can smoke at the joint area between 2 carriages. This is the hard sleeper carriage where the suite does not have a door and there are 6 beds inside. Arrive at Hangzhou South Railway Station. A station came into service a few years ago after rebuilt. There is an express train heading to Nanning Railway Station. Finally arrive at Shanghai South Railway Station, which is an end station. The train will change locomotive and direction here during the 30-minute stop. Let's quickly conclude my K336 soft sleeper experience right here right now. Despite traveling on the highest class on board this train, the overall experience isn't ideal. It takes almost 3 extra hours to reach Shanghai when compared to high-speed G train. The cleanness of the carriage is definitely not ideal, and the carriage shows obvious signs of wear and tear. If you are not tight on budget, go for the G high-speed trains. The station is very quiet at 9 o'clock in the evening. I present the green local health code as a negative COVID test. Then I could leave the station. Thank you for watching.